10 Rubik's Cube for records that will never be forgotten. Lucas Etcher, first sub 5. Phil Xandex, 473. Yusheng Du, first sub 4. Yihan Quang, 448 average from a 9-year-old. Tim Kosinski, 486 average, first sub 5 average. Phil Xandex, 566. Max Park, 313, the record after 5 years. Yes! Karen Burns, 525. Eric Ackersdijk, 708.
Yes!
Min Tai, 2295, first world record.
1, start! Min Tai, 16 years of age, living in Los Angeles, California. He came to the United States 3 years ago with his family from Vietnam. He first saw the cube in June 1981 and sold it within 7 days of purchase in under 2 minutes.